Wait, before you spend your money on trending Korean skincare, let's make sure you're not using the wrong products for your skin, because what works for one skin type can destroy another. So today, I'll guide you through 12 viral Korean skincare products of 2025, explain which one is right for your skin and how to use them correctly, so you can finally get that healthy, glowing glass skin everyone dreams of. These are all dermatologist-loved and K-beauty community favorites, and I'll help you choose step by step which ones you actually need in your skincare routine. Let's start with one of the most viral sunscreens of the year, Beauty of Joseon Relief, Sunrise, plus probiotics SPF 50+. This is a lightweight, hydrating, and non-greasy sunscreen, perfect for people with dry combination or sensitive skin. It contains rice extract for brightening and probiotics to strengthen your skin barrier. It leaves zero white cast, so even medium or deeper tones can use it comfortably. Use it every morning after moisturizer and reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're out in the sun. Okay, let's talk about a duo that totally changed my skin, the COSRX Advanced Snail, 96 Mucin Power Essence, and the 92 All-in-One Cream. This combo is known as the Hydration, Dot, and Repair King. It's amazing for anyone dealing with dot dullness, acne marks, or rough texture. Together, they help restore your skin barrier, lock in deep dot moisture, and give you that fresh, glowy glass skin look we all love. Now, skin type-wise, this duo works beautifully for dry, normal, and combination skin. If you have sensitive skin, no worries. Snail Mucin is super gentle and calming, and even if you're oily or acne prone, you can still use them. Just go with a lighter layer so it doesn't feel too rich. Here's how to use them. After cleansing and toning, apply the Snail Essence. Just 2 to 3 pumps, gently pat it in until it's absorbed. Then follow up with the Snail Cream to lock everything in. You can use them morning and night or once a day if you prefer a simpler routine. Use this duo at least 4 to 5 times a week. And trust me, within a couple of weeks, your skin will start looking smoother, healthier, and way more radiant. If your skin feels irritated, red, or sensitive, this one's your rescuer. The Centella Probiotica Ampoule contains Centella asiatica, probiotics, and ceramides, all the ingredients that calm and repair your skin barrier, perfect for sensitive, acne-prone, or damaged skin. Use it after toner before moisturizer, once daily at night for calming results. This is pure hydration in a jar. The Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream delivers deep, long-lasting moisture without ever feeling sticky or greasy. It's powered by blue hyaluronic acid, a next-gen form of hyaluronic acid that helps repair and strengthen your skin barrier while keeping your skin soft and plump and dewy all day. It's perfect for dry, normal, and combination dot skin, and gentle enough for sensitive skin too. Use it as the last step of your skincare routine, morning or night, to lock in all the moisture and leave your skin feeling fresh, smooth, and hydrated. If you want instant glow before an event, this mask is magic. The Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask is soaked in collagen and peptides, giving your skin a lifted, plump effect overnight. It's suitable for all skin types, especially dull or dehydrated skin. Use it 1 to 2 times a week at night, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and gently pat the essence in. This one is truly unique. The Mixun Bean Essence is made with fermented soybeans that gently exfoliate away dead skin cells, while keeping your skin's oil and moisture perfectly balanced. It's amazing for oily, combination, and dull skin types, helping your skin feel smoother, clearer, and more refined over time. Use it 3 to 4 times a week, right after cleansing and before your moisturizer, and let it soak in for that soft, glassy finish. If your skin ever looks tired, dull, or uneven, this serum is a total glow booster. The Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum combines propolis to calm and heal the skin with niacinamide to brighten and even out your tone. It's perfect for acne-prone, combination, and normal skin, helping to reduce redness, fade dark spots, and add that dewy, healthy glow we all love. Use it once a day in the morning or night, right after cleansing and toner, and let it absorb before applying your moisturizer. Trust me, your skin will look refreshed and radiant in no time. This toner is the perfect calming step right after cleansing. The Anua Heart Leaf 77% soothing toner is infused with heart leaf extract, famous for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that help calm irritation and redness. It's ideal for sensitive, acne-prone, and oily skin types. keeping your skin balanced and refreshed without any dryness or tightness. Use it morning and night right after cleansing, either with a cotton pad for gentle exfoliation or with your hands to pat it in for that soft, hydrated feel. This cream is a total spot fading favorite, the Axis Y Dark Spot. Correcting cream targets pigmentation, acne marks, and uneven skin tone, leaving your skin clearer and brighter over time. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs beautifully, making it perfect for oily, normal, and combination skin types. Use it daily, either as a spot treatment on dark areas or as your full face moisturizer. And don't forget, always follow, with sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin and prevent new spots from forming. This essence revives tired skin and restores a healthy glow. The beauty of Joseon. Ginseng Essence. Water is packed with antioxidants from ginseng extract that boosts circulation, fights dullness, and strengthens your skin barrier. It's ideal for dry, mature, or tired skin. Use it every morning before serum to keep your skin firm, smooth, and radiant throughout the day. Struggling with blackheads or clogged pores? The Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil gently melts away sunscreen, makeup, and excess sebum without irritating your skin. Formulated with calming heartleaf extract, it helps keep pores clean and skin balanced. It's perfect for oily and acne-prone skin. Massage it onto dry skin for about a minute, then add a little water to emulsify and rinse thoroughly. Use it daily before your regular cleanser for fresh, clear, and soft skin. The Anua Heartleaf Quercetinol Pore Deep Cleansing Foam is a gentle yet effective cleanser that deeply purifies your pores without stripping your skin. It's enriched with 77% heartleaf extract, known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits, and quercetinol, a powerful antioxidant that helps calm irritation, reduce redness, and protect your skin barrier. This cleanser creates a soft, creamy foam that lifts away excess oil, dirt, and impurities, leaving your skin feeling fresh, balanced, and smooth. It's ideal for oily, acne-prone, and sensitive skin, but gentle enough for daily use by most skin types. Use it morning and night after your cleansing oil, or on its own if you prefer a single-step cleanse. So here's the truth. Skincare isn't about trends, it's about understanding your skin. You don't need all 12 of these products, you just need the right ones that truly suit you. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so always patch test and see what works best for you. If you learned something new today, share this video with a friend who's obsessed up with K-beauty too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. If you want me to guide you on more Korean skincare products, let me know in the comments and mention which product you'd like me to cover next.